I'm gonna put some fish tacos together. I just fried fish. I just grilled the fish. With the fish tacos, I have some pico de gallo. With a little bit of habanero. I got some cabbage slaw, and then I'm gonna make a sauce. So I'm gonna put some mayonnaise in the bowl. And there's no real measurement to this, so then I'm gonna put some sriracha sauce in it. So, so the mixture is how you want to mix it. You want to mix it half mayonnaise, half sriracha. It's gonna look like almost like a little beige, maybe pink color. Okay, and it's kind of like that. I got some corn tortillas, so I'm gonna do a corn grilled, a flour grilled, and a corn fried, and a flour fried. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is on the grilled. It's already got a split in there. I'm just going to take it and I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to use one half for the corn, and I'll use the bigger sides for the flour. Okay. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the fried. I'm going to go and cut it down the middle, and then I'm going to cut it in half. And I'll use two for the corn, two for the flour. Okay, I'm gonna take some of our sauce and I'm just gonna put some of the sauce over this is the grilled corn, grilled flour. Okay, and then I got the fried. Then we got the corn fried. I'll put some coleslaw over it. Okay, we're gonna put that like that. Now I'm gonna put some pico de gallo, and it's a habanero pico de gallo. We got the corn fried. All right. We got a fish taco fried with corn tortilla. I got the grilled with the corn and grilled with the flour. I'm gonna go ahead and try the grilled fish taco. Real tasty. This is a good meal, and it's real tasty. Stay tuned to Simple Meals with Dave to see how we can help you out in the kitchen.